When it comes to enhancing the comfort, value, and efficiency of your home, few upgrades can have as significant an impact as installing energy-efficient windows and replacing doors. In Tampa, where the sun shines brightly and temperatures soar during the summer months, investing in energy-efficient doors and windows is not just an aesthetic choice. It's a smart decision that can improve your home's overall performance while lowering your utility bills. The importance of energy efficiency in Tampa homes. Living in Tampa, you are no stranger to the intense heat and humidity that characterize Florida's climate. Energy efficiency is key to maintaining a comfortable living environment while minimizing the impact on your wallet. Traditional windows and doors can let in drafts, allow heat to escape during cooler months, and increase the workload on your heating and cooling systems. Over time, this results in higher energy consumption and higher utility bills. Energy-efficient windows and doors, on the other hand, are designed to provide better insulation, reduce heat transfer, and minimize drafts. By reducing the need for your air conditioning and heating systems to work overtime, these home improvements help create a more energy-efficient home, which benefits both the environment and your monthly budget. Key benefits of energy-efficient windows and door replacements. Lower energy bills. One of the most significant benefits of replacing old doors and windows with energy-efficient alternatives is the potential to lower your energy bills. With proper insulation and advanced technologies like low-E glass coatings, energy-efficient windows help keep your home cooler in the summer by reflecting heat away from your home and warmer in the winter by trapping heat inside. This means your HVAC system won't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, resulting in lower electricity usage and savings on your monthly energy costs. Enhanced comfort. Replacing drafty or old windows and doors with newer energy-efficient models ensures better temperature regulation throughout your home. No more cold spots near windows in the winter or hot areas by the door in the summer. These upgrades improve overall comfort by keeping the temperature consistent from room to room, no matter what the weather is like outside. In a city like Tampa, where temperatures can fluctuate drastically, maintaining a stable indoor environment is crucial for your family's comfort. Increased home value. Whether you are planning to stay in your home for many years or are considering selling in the near future, energy-efficient windows and doors add significant value to your property. Many homebuyers prioritize energy efficiency when making purchasing decisions, especially in regions like Tampa, where high energy costs can be a concern. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors gives your home a competitive edge on the market, making it more attractive to potential buyers and potentially increasing its resale value. Better sound insulation. Energy-efficient windows and doors not only improve thermal efficiency but also enhance soundproofing. If your home is near a busy street or a noisy neighborhood, the insulation properties of modern windows and doors can help minimize external noise. Whether it's street traffic or the noise from neighbors, new energy-efficient windows and doors can help create a quieter, more peaceful living environment. Environmental impact. Making the switch to energy-efficient windows and doors is also a great way to reduce your home's environmental footprint. By improving your home's energy efficiency, you reduce the demand for energy, which can, in turn, decrease your overall carbon emissions. Using less energy to cool and heat your home contributes to a cleaner environment and supports sustainability efforts. It's a win-win for both you and the planet. Choosing the right energy-efficient windows and doors for your Tampa home. When selecting new windows and doors for your Tampa home, it's essential to choose high-quality, energy-efficient options that meet or exceed local energy standards. Look for products that have the Energy Star certification, which indicates they meet rigorous energy efficiency guidelines. Additionally, consider factors such as the type of glazing, the frame material, and the design to ensure you're getting the best possible performance for your home. Investing in energy-efficient windows and doors for your Tampa home is one of the best ways to enhance comfort, save on energy costs, and increase your property's value. With the harsh Florida climate, this upgrade will ensure you stay cool in the summer, warm in the winter, and enjoy a more sustainable living environment.